I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Okay, so we finished under here. We still have to take the tape off, but that was the last purple in this room. It's funny, my brain is slowly accepting that this is beige and not purple. It's funny how the brain works. We're working in the bathroom right now, but I'm hungry. I did have one of these chicken apple lbs sausages earlier, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. So this will be a total of 3 of these today, and this is a chunk of Gruyere's cheese. So I've had 3 of these and this today. You know, little boy. All right, we are done. My sister and I were talking. We're gonna do this. She likes to decorate, so she's gonna look for some new shower curtains because they will not match anymore. And then I had she took it at Chrome Wonder Cry. It's a dragonfly that I hung up on there, but I had that in my little house where I lived before. So it's just something. I ordered a new corner shelf. She made me clean my bathtub. She wasn't wrong. And then we got this back up there. So when I first moved in, this is why I pick on this sister. When I first moved in, she had the bright idea to pull a medicine cabinet out. See this hole? So Dad covered it with just a poster board, and then we hung this over it. So I was like, are you going to do my house like you did that, get me started on a wall and then leave me? And she didn't. So I'm thankful. But anyway, so we painted. I did the trimming. I definitely, here, let me zoom up there. Definitely got a lot on the ceiling. A lot. And I got a lot in here on this porous, this shower wall. And then definitely got some down on, definitely got some down on my brand new baseboards. And yeah, let me show you. This should be brown. Oh, you can't see it. Hang on, let me zoom out. This should be brown. And I got some all up under there. But to be fair, there was some paint. It's like paint paper laying across it. And I thought I was just getting there. But we painted the door and everything. I need to hammer this little nail in, give it a couple whacks, but I'm not worried about it. This thing won't stay in unless there's a nail right there. This is how a plumber gets to all the pipes that go to my shower. So when I first moved in, this was a bathtub, because I know I have some new people. This was a bathtub. And so I had to shower down the basement. Dad got this metal and had it, curved. And so I have to use 2 different shower curtains. One that goes along there that keeps the window from getting wet, and one that goes on here that keeps everything else from getting wet. So I can't really have curtains, decorative curtains over my window, because that much of it, you see that right there, so that much of it is covered up. So I just kind of try to make that all just one thing, and that's that. But anyway, so we got this done. I'm working on de-Christmasing my house, but I also did, so she's going to find something for that spot. And I told her while she's looking, if she finds something that matches, she could get a couple things, I don't know. So that room, and now, like I said, I'm working on de-Christmasing, but I also have to put up my laundry first. So look, there's my albums of gratitude. I've been trying to keep everything away from the wall, but I think I can push this a little closer now. There. So that's, oh, dang it, I just zoomed in. So there's Callie's and Sammy's. And I think I'm going to leave those up right now just because it makes me feel good. So I'm going to leave those up. It's still winter. I might kind of see what's wintry. I definitely don't have my pictures up. They're still right here. I don't want to put that sticky fun tack on the walls yet. I feel like I probably need to wait a couple days and let it cure. Hang on. Oh, come on, get over here. There we go. Need it. And that's a little too much. Don't ask. Don't ask. Oh, yeah, but we did this. We did the kitchen. So if you remember, this was that dadgum purpley color. It drove me up a wall. I need to hang my curtains back up there. And it's funny, these are so close together. Let me show you. That left one, that is the wall, and that is my trim. What I did was I took a piece of cabinet divider, and they mashed as close as they could to get to my trim. So they're definitely pretty close. The trim is a little more in the yellow family, but I feel like they're both warm colors maybe. I don't know. I think it still looks fine together. So, yeah. So there was an issue with that, so I can't hang my cast iron on it right now. It just came right out of the wall. So my sister had put those little screw brackets that are supposed to open up, but they didn't get screwed in past the wood itself. So when she comes back to town, the other sister, she can fix that. But I'm not going to hang my cast iron either yet. Again, I want to let that kind of curate. So yeah, so we finished this strip this morning, and up there, yeah, look up there. I showed y'all. Anyway, we ain't focused on that. Some point I'll want to change curtains, get some different curtains. Something that's not so dark, but something that could be in the brown family. I don't know what I'll get. We'll see what I get when I get it. But I definitely am keeping my little tension rod, those little things. I should see if I can buy those. This used to be the kind that you hangs across the top and the bottom and had the little hooks, but genius me decided to take it off and throw it away. Yeah. And I did it with this one over there too. I thought I was what I needed to do in the moment, but that's all right. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what we've been doing. We got this done. And let me get back in here. Focus Terry. Y'all know I'm squirrely ADHDer. Anyway, so I'm working on my laundry. And when I get this folded, I'll work on shifting all my Christmas stuff into boxes. Look at that precious girl. Hey, Mama. How you doing, girl? She says, guys, Mama has been ignoring us all day. She just cares about her dumb old sister and those dumb old paint things. She made us get out of the room. She wouldn't let us be in the room. And Sammy says, me too. She didn't let me in there. Don't lick my glasses. He said she wouldn't let me in there neither. Yeah, I know, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but Sister Missy is not a dog person. No. She doesn't really care for dogs. It's just her personality. We have to accept that. We understand. She's one of them kind of people. It ain't my kind of people, but that's her kind of people. So, anyway, so I got to take a minute. I'm going to love on these. Hey. Let's get here, Callie girl. Let's see. Look at us. Girls rule and boys drool. Yeah. Sam, I don't need your help, buddy. Say it, Callie. Callie, look up. She says, I do not hear the word coming out of your mouth. There you go. I like that one. Oh, you little dude. Stop. Quit it. Oh. Anyway. All right. Well, back to, where's my laundry? Oh, back to that. All right. Bye. Whew. How you doing? Well, I got my laundry folded. I de-Christmased my house. I made my creamies. I kind of dusted in my bedroom a little bit. I'm still sipping on coffee from about 11:30. No, I think I got it at 12. I told y'all before, I make coffee, I drink it halfway, add water, drink halfway, and add water. It's lunchtime, or it's brunch. No, it's Lupper. It's my second meal. I eat 2 meals a day. It's just, I love to be full and I like to eat a large amount of food. So, what do I have? This is 180 grams of pulled pork. I had to make some, well, I'll tell you about that. And probably 2 servings of Gruyere cheese. Probably 2 servings of it. I didn't want to dirty up the nice. It's a big old chunk I'm going to drop. drop, and dropped it into my bowl. It's my cheese in my bowl. And then I already say this Sweet Baby Ray's sugar-free barbecue sauce. Yeah, buddy. I gotta take another bite. Y'all know I got a 2-bite rule. I got a 2-bite rule. Let's see, what else? I have most stuff put back for, we kind of shifted things around as we were painting and stuff. Got my curtains put back up. I know I need a little, like a lighter color one. I'll get one someday, but I want it like that. That's like short, something that's kind of like hangs up high. I don't want a full curtain in here because I use that right there. I keep those little hazy ones so people don't see me naked. Because I walk around. Well, they can see straight into my bedroom because that's a door right there. Right here, that's the door right into my bedroom. Let me show you. So, people standing outside, they can see your girl all naked. We ain't about that life. We ain't gonna show them the cookies. We ain't about showing the cookies, are we? Anyway, so, yeah. Our creamy tonight. Like I tell y'all, this is a frozen protein shake. And then I run it through my creamy machine. Personally, keto chow is my favorite. Pistachio. I know some people love them. Some people hate them. That's all right. You ain't got to love them. You do what's best for you. I keep saying one of these days, I'm going to try again the pre-made ones from Walmart and see how it does. For whatever reason, it expanded. And I don't know. I was still new to the creamy machine. So maybe it was a me thing. Maybe it wasn't that. Maybe I put it above the fill line. I don't know. Anyway, we'll try one sometime. But yeah, so that's what I had. I'm really proud of myself. I did good today with my eating, and I did good with my physical activity. Man, we were painting Jessie's. I did put one picture up because that nail's there. So you know which one I put up. I put up my Lupper doing Sammy. I missed that old poot. He was a stinker. Anyway, but that's not what this video is about. We're not going down memory lane. We don't want to be all sad. I need a pluck tonight. I got a really good light in my living room, and I have a mirror that goes around my neck. I need to pluck. I had PCOS. Ever since teenage years, I have PCOS. So I have you can see I have darker hair on my arms. Maybe you can't see it. I think it's lightening as I'm getting older. But anyway, so I had that, an irregular cycle, and the lower voice, obviously. I've done electrolysis before. I know people talk about that laser. If I would pay for something, I want it to never come back. I don't think they have that technology yet. Do they? Y'all know stuff. I'm telling you what, I learned so much from y'all. You guys know so much. I mean, like, for real. You really know a lot. And I appreciate you. I love you all so much. If I haven't said it recently, I love you guys and I value you guys. Jesus loves you too. And you guys are just so important to me. And you all keep me going forward. I don't know. Like, I'm telling y'all, if you have a channel, if you have a channel, put it down in the comments. I know we're on a special series, but I want people to know. Look in the comments, y'all, in this video. Push at the end of this video, or push pause right now and go look at the comments and give each other a follow. Anyway, so yeah. So this is part of my When Weight Comes Back series. Maybe I'll remember this. Real maintenance one day at a time. And I'll check back in tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. Tomorrow's Jesus and Judy. I don't know how much Jesus I'll be able to give you because I'll be hanging out with my sister and mom, and they're going to my church. Looky there. This girl runs on Jesus and rutabaga. I still love the rutabaga. Maybe that'll be the first veggie I add back. Anyway, I'm going to church, but I may not be sharing Jesus with you because my family's going, and I won't have that time away from the family to talk to you about it. But always know you can watch my church. There's a link to my church YouTube channel here down in the description of my videos. There's lots of my videos in the description. Oh yeah, but we're going out to eat tomorrow. I was like, where was I going with all that? We go out to eat tomorrow. We go to the same place. So I may have a couple bites of veggies, but I'll do my usual and get the pork steak. Oh, you know I love their pork steak. So I just get it with no sauce. And then I usually take a bite or two of whatever my side is. So, all right. I love y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.